On 17th of September, APHLC Women Wing of Nilip Constituency organized a body reshuffling and body induction program at Open Stage Chokihola Higher Secondary School playground under Nilip Constituency. In this reshuffling and body induction program, Rajesh Tiso attended as the guest of the event. The event was presided by Regina Rongpipi, President of Women Wing APHLC. Rajesh Tiso, while speaking to us, informed that the reshuffling and body induction program was solely organized to undertake the works in strengthening the party and ensuring intense preparedness for the upcoming MP general election from Nilip Constituency.
MP election, MP election, ke ajat penon sta APHLC pen ke pahai phasuli tum bori pono. La penon karbinglong arat chini lo je BJP kachari, council kachari atuk lage henopik si non bang ke plang dalo. Karbianglong arat mate inglong so la pen karbiatum han kapawir asai silang tum plan rong.
It was reported that Regina Rongpipi, President, Women Wing APHLC, Nilip Constituency, delivered her words of confidence to ensure victory of APHLC from Nilip Constituency in the next general election for Member of Parliament. The newly appointed office bearers sworn to abide by the party's constitution and exchange their strategies, tactics, and policies to strengthen the party at the meeting. It was unanimously decided that Rosmi Phangchopi, Rolika Teronpi, Rita Tokbipi, Hewali Rongpipi to be their vice presidents, Kajok Ingtipi to be the assistant secretary, Jonati Kilingpi as the office secretary, Bare Terangpi as the assistant office secretary, Anima Ronghangpi as their treasurer, and Lokimai Kropi as their organizing secretary of APHLC Women Wing Nilip Constituency. Sonjit Crow's report from Nilip, Karbi Anglong Live.